guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Pictory AI. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Pictory AI is a video editing tool that helps produce videos faster and easier with no editing software required. It is the ideal solution for videos to post on YouTube, presentations, for content creators, and if you're a course creator, this would be a very useful or helpful tool for you. Some of the things that Pictory AI offers is an easy way to edit videos, starting with text to video, article to video. You can edit videos using just text. You can upload your own files and turn that into videos too. You can also convert scripts into videos with the power of Pictory AI. So let's dive right in. To start with Pictory, all you have to do is type in your browser pictory.ai and it should take you to this page wherein you can start by logging in or try out a free trial wherein you can get started for free. So if you click on free trial, log in with your account or log in with a new account, you're gonna have to verify your payment method. You'll not be charged during or at the end of the trial period. Card details are needed for verification purposes only. So make sure that your free trial ends in 14 days and you will only be charged after that. So let's click on verify payment method. So once you're done putting in your payment method, you're gonna be asked why do you want to use Pictory. This is a quick survey so that the developers of Pictory will know how to serve you better in the future. You can just continue to answer this survey quickly and then we can proceed to using Pictory. Okay, so once we're logged in and the payment method is set up, you should now be seeing this dashboard wherein you are asked which content would you like to repurpose into videos. You have 4 options right here, and they are script to video, article to video, edit video using text, or visuals to video. Let's start with script to video. In here, you can start typing or copy pasting your script. And if you don't know how to proceed with that, or if you need more tutorials on how to create videos using Pictory AI, you can always click on watch tutorial at the bottom of each method of creating a video. So script to video is recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, and step-by-step guides. Now let's proceed. So again, this is script to video, so you're gonna have to type down or paste your ready-made script if you have one in this section. And to give you an example, I have my ready-made script about the importance of tracking your daily water intake. And since I have the title over there, I'm just gonna paste my ready-made script. So this is the script that I have ready, and either I can look through it for spelling checks or you can look at the lower left corner of your screen wherein it says spell check. Also, there is a tool called highlight wherein you can highlight what you want to emphasize on your video so that it can find better visuals. And if you do that, it'll put your text into bold. So for example, I'm gonna highlight proper hydration is the key to maintaining good health. Just feel free to look over your script and emphasize everything that you think is best to highlight on the video. So other than the highlight tool, we can also monitor our characters count here on the bottom right corner. And one last thing before we proceed is the scene settings. Then the option to create new scenes on can be either for sentence breaks or line breaks. So this is a little more detail oriented option because either it'll create scenes based on each sentence of your script or line breaks, which are these breaks. So let's proceed. Once you click on proceed, it'll take you to the templates library where you can feel free to choose what type of video you want your output to be. To view each template, you just have to hover your mouse on top of it and then it'll give you a short scene of how it will look like if you choose that template. Let's say I really like this one. I'm gonna click on it and then choose an aspect ratio. Let's say I want to use it for YouTube, for presentations. I'm gonna click on 16:9. Now the video is being created. And while it's loading, it'll show you how many cutscenes there will be in the video that it's creating for us. Now I believe that the video is ready, so let's just close this out. So here on the left side, you can see the scenes that the AI used for your video, and it is all based on the script that you provided. Over here at the bottom, it's where you can pretty much edit your video. So let's click on Got It. So if we click on this little button, we can preview each scene, how they would look like. But if you want to see the whole video right away, you can always click on preview here on top. So let's do that. First, it will start preparing your preview, and then it will play your video right away. So let's see how Pictory AI created the whole video for us about hydration. Okay, so fast forward, I really like how the video turned out. The visuals really matched the script I pasted, but there are some words that I would like to take out of the output. So in order to do that, let's proceed on to customization. Going to the script on the left hand panel, I would like to remove the phrase in the parentheses here. So I'm just gonna click on the script there, and then I can manually erase that part of the script. So I'm just gonna look over the other portions of the script, checking if there are still other things that I would like to count out from the video. And once we're done doing that, the script in the video itself will also get updated. Moving forward, let's go to visuals, where you can choose existing videos that Pictory AI's library has. Let's say if you don't find the video selected by the AI good enough for your script, you can always choose a video, or you can also upload your own videos here through the visuals tab. If you want a few options for the music used on your video, this is where you can find music, or also upload your own. You can also do voiceovers. Now for elements, this is where you can add emojis, GIFs, and fun stickers to your video. So feel free to play around with the tools around Pictory AI. It's pretty much a click and drag type of video editing tool. Now I want to dive into the audio option, because we do have here a voiceover option, wherein you can choose premium voices or standard voices. And to review the voice before using it on your video, you can always click on the play button right here. If you want to use your own voice as a voiceover, you can always click on this button on the preview, and then you can choose apply AI voiceover. You can upload your own voiceover and recording your own voiceover while the video AI presented is playing. And once you're ready to download your video, you can click on download and then click on video. Now let's move forward to the article to video option, wherein you can just copy paste the URL of the article that you want to turn into a video. So let's click on proceed. So as you can see here, it's extracting key messages in the article, because it's actually opening up the URL that we pasted. Now this may take some time depending on how long your article is, how accessible it can be. So you just have to wait for a little bit. Now fast forward, this is the content inside the article that I used, and this is 15 home businesses you can start with no money by Victoria. This is the content of the article, as you can see here, and Pictory AI actually did a summary categorized by scene, so that we can review it before it starts making the video for us. So feel free to take a look at the AI powered summary and make the necessary changes that you want, similar to how we customized the scenes in text to video. Now let's say I'm happy with the summary that it created for us. We're just gonna have to click on next. Now again, it's going to take us to the template library, where we can choose how we want our video to look like. And as an example, I'm gonna choose caption thin. So just click on that. I'm gonna click on 916 this time. Once it's done, it should take us back to this view. The scenes that we can edit are here on the left hand panel. There's a big preview here, and if you want to check out your video, just click on preview. Make the necessary changes here on the very left side, and you can check your scenes here at the bottom. Now moving on to edit video using text. Here you can input videos from various sources. This is mainly recommended for adding subtitles automatically, cutting portions of a video, create video highlights, and add logo, intro, and outro. Now if you don't have a ready-made video, we can always try it with a demo video. So this is the example video that we have, and it says here your video is ready to be edited. You can clean up your video in one click, get rid of all the uhs and ums. So clicking next on that, this is the trim and crop like a Word document. It's very cool because once you try editing the example video, it has the step-by-step guide for you. So just click on next on that again. And then let's try to remove the ums and ahs in the script. Now if we click on remove silences, so for this example I would like to remove 2 seconds or more than 2 seconds of silence in this video. If you've selected that, just click on OK, and then you'll see here at the bottom that the video is 3 minutes and 48 seconds. It'll change to 3 minutes and 43 seconds. That just means that there are at least 5 seconds of silences in this video. Now to review just portions of your video, like if we want to see how AI removed the filler words, as we can see here on the left side, there's an icon that indicates that the word was removed. We can just click on the word before that and then play it in the preview. Now the last option that we can use to produce videos using Pictory AI is visuals to video, where you can drag and drop files or browse your computer to upload images and video files that you want to use for your output. So this is recommended for creating slideshow videos using existing images and short video clips that you already have. So if we click on proceed, it'll ask you to upload files from your device, and once you've chosen your files, you should be able to see the button change from proceed to upload. So here I have 5 files selected and I'm gonna click on upload. So this is where we're gonna see the files that we uploaded, and if you need to add more files, you can always click on the button here. But since I'm happy with the 5 files that I uploaded, we're gonna click on proceed. Now it should take us back to the templates library, and then it'll create the video storyboard for us, taking us back to the customization page. So here on the left you can see the files that I uploaded. You should be able to see yours too, and then feel free to play around with the tools, add your text, add your styles, branding, or even do your voiceover for the files that you created. And once you're happy with your video, you can always continue by clicking on download. So again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.